weather turns severe,
this thing is going to be a monster.
our experts will be right there,
with the world's most advanced forecasting tools.
around the clock, on every screen.
We are more prepared than ever with the information you need to stay safe.
Our experts are all over the region tracking Winter Storm Cato, only on the Weather Channel. Need a strategy to help you survive another Thanksgiving? Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, it's a 3-day marathon of weather survival. Survive the feast on the Weather Channel.